I chose to study mechanical engineering because growing up I always loved math and physics, and I actually come from a long line of engineers. My great-great-grandpa was an engineer and my dad's an engineer. After my first couple classes, I just really loved what I was learning, and so I decided to stick with it. I would suggest by just starting with the Intro to Engineering course. It's required for engineering degrees here, and I think it gives you a really broad overview into the types of engineering. I would also suggest just really focusing on your core calculus classes, your math classes, physics, and just really honing your studying method for learning complex topics.
We have an introductory class to engineering, Engineering 1000. This class provides an overview of many different engineering disciplines, what getting a degree in engineering looks like, what your prospects might look like after graduation. So just taking that 2-credit class could really give you a lot of answers to any questions you might have. The breadth of knowledge that you study in mechanical engineering is quite interesting. Classes range from basic math, basic science, to selecting certain types of materials, to the physics of the motion of fluids, to robotics, to how circuits are done. We have very affordable tuition here, but quality is not sacrificed. For that cheaper tuition, you actually tend to have smaller class sizes with professors who are dedicated to teaching rather than research. So that means you're going to get to know your fellow students better. You're going to have strong groups you can work with and who you can learn from. Your professors are going to respond to you in a timely manner. They're going to be available to answer any questions you might have, help you to work through difficult things. So because of that, the culture here is very student-focused. Students are the first priority, and I think you're going to feel that when you come here.
The class sizes are really small compared to other universities, and I've really gotten to know my fellow students. Like some of my friends I've been in classes with for over 3 years already, and we've been able to develop some really great study groups so that as our course material has gotten harder, we're able to work through it together and teach each other as we go.
We even have classes that are outside of our department but required for the degree in topics like technical writing. So you do really just get a broad range of abilities. We try to teach you to communicate technical information. We try to teach you how to solve difficult problems. We try to teach you how to understand the world around you, how to collect meaningful data and interpret it. So there's skills that are valuable in a wide range of fields. You can easily take a job that's as a mechanical engineer and do that the rest of your life, but there's lots of room to transition into different types of responsibilities.